when I finish a CD or an album, the place where I like to sort of challenge myself in listening back to it is Donegal. And so, you know, about 40 minutes from my home, I'll put the CD on and just kind of feel the atmosphere. This album, Signature, was really a challenge for me because it was bringing a bit of reality into my music. What I tried to do was try to relate to my past, the good times, the bad times. It's just trying to capture that, and I'd like to think of it as it's like snapshots.
While I was younger then, found sweeter moments. No.
Colours mean a lot to my music. It's like for me going into a studio with a canvas and creating each song from scratch, and so it's like a painting for me, particularly Tapestry, with just imagining the colours. Thinking of the history and the poetry of my growing up, because it is the weaving of life. Life is a merry-go-round, and basically I suppose that's what the song is about. You know, how we come off it at certain points of our lives and how we get back on it again.
Search your heart to hear the sound of into Lumby Firgojo, of the story homeward bound of into Lumby Firgojo. Drift away on the merry-go-round of into Lumby Firgojo. Find the message underground, Be Firgojo.
I always like to include Gaelic throughout my songs, and singing live in particularly. The amount of people that relate to me, how they love the sound of the Gaelic language.
Agus chifi tu an glor mailen tu. Don't give up now. Don't give up the better blue sky. You've gotta go to find it where all the light shine brighter.
Black Night is a song that relates to being really alone, wondering, is there anybody going to listen to you or anybody going to hear you? I don't like to close the door fully in the sense that completion is there without the sense of hope, and that is very important to me within songs.
Say the words, nothing I can hear.
You know, the idea that you had with them.
Start the chorus.
Just try the chorus first.
3, 4.
music is just my life. I don't have to push it, it just happens, and that's really an important part of my music, an important part of where I come from, an important part of what kind of is the end result of the album, and particularly with the signature album.